Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the OMNIHIL 8-foot high-speed USB 2.0 cable, specifically designed to be compatible with the Star Micronics TSP143IIU 39464011 USB printer. If you've ever dealt with a flimsy or unreliable USB cable for your printer, you know how frustrating it can be. This OMNIHIL cable aims to solve that problem. First impressions are positive. The cable feels sturdy and well-made. The 8-foot length is a definite plus, giving you plenty of flexibility in terms of printer placement without being tethered too closely to your computer. This is especially useful in retail or restaurant environments where counter space might be limited. The key selling points here are the high-speed USB 2.0 compatibility and the built-in protection features. High-speed data transfer is crucial for quick and efficient printing, especially when dealing with graphics or detailed receipts. The OVP, OCP, and SCP protection, that's over voltage, over current, and short-circuit protection, offer peace of mind, safeguarding both your printer and your computer from potential electrical issues. It's always good to have that extra layer of security. OMNIHIL also backs this cable with a generous 5-year free warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the product's durability. It's reassuring to know that you're covered in case of any unexpected failures. It's important to note that this is a third-party, non-OEM part. While it's designed to be fully compatible with the Star Micronics TSP143IIU printer, it's not a product manufactured by Star Micronics themselves. Also, this cable does not contain alkaline, nickel, NIM, or lithium-ion batteries, so you don't have to worry about battery-related issues or disposal concerns. While the image online is just an indication of the product, the actual product is what matters. So, if there are any differences between the picture and what you receive, the actual product is the one to trust. Overall, the OMNIHIL USB cable appears to be a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable replacement or an extended cable for their Star Micronics TSP143IIU printer. The combination of high-speed data transfer, built-in protection features, and a 5-year warranty makes it a worthwhile investment. If you're looking for a dependable USB cable for your printer, the OMNIHIL is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.